Bro, Blue Lock is cooking something insane. I mean, Ego never uses word like miracle, chosen one, and he never talks about God. But suddenly, in Blue Lock chapter 328, Ego mentioned about God of football. So, what is this God of football, and what will happen if Isagi Yoichi, I mean my boy Isagi, is forced to confront this god in next match against France. So today we will dive into this theory about what will happen if Isagi confront this god in next match, and also about the potential future of Blue Lock. So let's begin. Till now, from what we have seen in Blue Lock, we know that the ego believes football is the battleground of ego. He doesn't believe in destiny or any divine protection. For him, football is science. So, why did the ego use the term God? So let's first discuss about the term God of football in ego's vision. For ego, a godlike player is someone who has absolute field vision, not metavision, because in Blue Lock, everyone can use metavision. It's like a tofu now. Anyone can eat it, anyone can throw it, so it's not metavision. And
What? What? Ay, caray. Bro, what?
perfect prediction, emotionless decision making, a player who controls other 21 players like a puppet. This is not a literal god, but a player who transcends normal human skill. With that being said, if we consider why Isagi might face the god of football in next match, then there is France. In Blue Lock, France is considered the most tactically perfect team. Their organization, timing, and movement look like mechanical, almost too perfect. So that's why Isagi hints that the France may have someone who act as the brain of their team. A player who doesn't need to run fast, doesn't need crazy physical talent, but wins by pure football techniques. And I think you all already knew who I'm hinting at. Yeah, this guy. This guy might be the brain of France. So he has trash talk about Isagi, but I wanna see him getting humbled by Isagi in next match, so it's gonna be interesting. But anyway, let's move into the topic. If we talk about him in detail, then this player would be the ultimate metavision user, not just reading the field but controlling the entire ecosystem of the match. Just like Isagi, Isagi can see the movement, Rin can see the flow, Boru can see the dominance, but he might see the passing line 5 seconds before they even exist, spaces that haven't even opened yet, weakness of opponent emotion, and patterns of 22 players at once, just like Isagi's metavision, but Isagi's metavision into 100. And now that we have talked about it, let's move into the ego's perspective. In ego's perspective, a god isn't just a normal player. It's a concept of perfect and ideal striker. In France, there might be a player who reminds him of a god, so this will explain why Ego says Isagi must face God, because Ego wants Isagi to surpass ideal itself. Now let's talk about why Isagi must face the god of football. Right now, Isagi is strong, very strong, no doubt about it, but he isn't complete yet. His limitations are clear. His metavision strengths, stamina, his calculations are predictable, his direct shoots has counters, he loses against player with overwhelming aura like Rin, Kaiser, and Loki. To become ultimate ego striker, Isagi must go against a player whose IQ is equal to his or higher than his. This is the biggest challenge that the ego can give him. And by facing the god of football, Isagi's metavision can evolve, his football IQ can reach a new level, his direct shoots can changes, he develops a new unpredictable football style that no one can predict. This is the final growth step before Isagi becomes the world's best striker. That's why it is so important for Isagi to face some opponent whose IQ is equal to his or higher than his. That will make his metavision evolve into new level that even geniuses cannot predict, or his direct shoot can evolve into a shoot so bizarre and unpredictable that even a god cannot predict its angle or time. And this could be Isagi's new finishing ability. What does it mean for Blue Lock future? Facing a god of football isn't about winning a match, it's about setting up the final evolution for my boy Isagi. After beating Kaiser, Rin will be next, but before that, Isagi must overcome his true mastermind, a player who plays football like divine entity. If Isagi can surpass this god, the story shifts into final phase, the World Cup arc, Isagi versus Rin rivalry, the fight for the title of world number 1 striker, the peak of Blue Lock philosophy. In short, if Isagi meets the god of football in the match against France, then it won't be about strength, it won't be about speed, it won't be about power, it won't be about strength, it won't be about dribbling, it will be about pure football IQ, the ultimate battle of brain, the highest level of field vision, the clash between rising genius and a fully evolved genius. And that will transform Isagi for forever.